JB Weld makes wood repairs easy to handle, even if you barely passed shop class. Our products repair and restore wood to its original strength. Liquid hardener stops rot. Epoxy putties like Quick Wood and Wood Restore fill holes and gaps. And Wood Weld bonds without foaming or shrinking for repairs on furniture, windowsills, and more. You can shape and fill. And after curing, sand, drill, and paint with a finish that'll look like new. If your beloved hammock is no longer safely secured for snoozing, Liquid Hardener and Quick Wood can do the job. After removing the rotten wood, apply hardener on the affected area and let dry. Then grab the Quick Wood and with gloves on, knead until uniform and fill the hole. After just an hour of curing, you can sand, stain, and replace the bolt. Then give it a test for the rest of the afternoon. Learn more at jbweld.com.
JB Weld, world's strongest bond.